In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of creating a custom UDP configuration using the HTTP Custom VPN app. This method is perfect for achieving a faster and more secure internet connection. Before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open any web browser and head over to the SSH UDP website. Once you're there, tap the hamburger menu in the top corner and select UDP Custom Servers from the list. Step 2. Next, you'll see a list of server locations. Choose the one that fits your needs and click Select Location to continue. Step 3. Now, fill out the account form with your preferred username and password. Complete the CAPTCHA and click Create. Your server will be ready in seconds, just copy the details for later. Step 4. Go to the Google Play Store, search for HTTP Custom VPN, download and install the app. Step 5. Open the app, and on the home screen, check the box that says UDP Custom. Paste in the SSH UDP server details you copied earlier. Step 6. Tap the plugin icon located at the top of the screen, then select UDP Custom Settings. Here, you can tweak the settings based on your preferences or requirements. Once you're done adjusting, simply return to the main screen. Step 7. Next, tap the plus symbol icon, choose Save Config, enter a custom name for your configuration file, and hit Save. This allows you to easily reuse the setup anytime without re-entering the details. Step 8. To start your connection, just tap Connect. Alternatively, if you've saved a configuration, you can import the config file and initiate the connection that way. Congratulations! Party Popper, you've now successfully created and activated a custom UDP configuration using the HTTP Custom VPN app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more VPN tips and tech guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.